Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix desktop icon spacing and are stretched horizontally in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together so that you'd be able to open the small window called Run. Here, please tap for Reg Edit, and the moment you have typed it, click on OK to proceed. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you'd be able to open this window. Okay? So here, you need to proceed on on the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. Now here you need to go with HKey underscore current underscore user. And once you have selected it, double tap. And this time you need to go with your control panel. Okay? So just have to follow the steps that I'm performing here in this video. Okay? So once you have selected your control panel, double tap again. And this time you need to look for your desktop. Okay. Once you have selected it, double tap once again, and there you would be able to see at the fourth of it, which is Windows Metrics. Okay, so just have to select it, and once you have selected it, you need to look for two value data, which are icon spacing and icon vertical spacing. Okay, now proceed to the center of your screen. You can see two values, which are icon spacing and icon vertical spacing. Okay, so here you need to double tap your icon spacing, and you need to change the value data into -1128, or you can use you can set it into -1125. Okay, so just have to go with -1128 or go with -1125. Okay, once you have set it, click on OK and proceed to the second, which is icon vertical spacing. Double tap it, and you can also set the value data into -1125 or -1128. Okay, then click on OK. Once you have set the value data into the correct amount of the value data, you need to close all of these file folders and as well as this registry editor. And here you need to restart your computer. Now, there is a must to restart your computer in order to apply all the steps that we have just performed in this video. Okay? The moment you have relaunched your Windows again, the spacing will be fixed and your problem will be fixed as well. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.